This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Monica Bartashcha. Welcome to a modern approach on a coastal cottage. Enjoy a freshly renovated home in a well-established neighborhood of River Pointe. The bright open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings flows down the large hallway into the dining room and formal sitting area and then opens into the open kitchen overlooking the living room with sliders out to the screened lanai. This beautiful home has been cosmetically remodeled from top to bottom. The new kitchen boasts 42-inch cabinets with shaker-style doors, lighted upper cabinets with glass doors, stainless steel appliances, a farmhouse sink, and gorgeous quartz countertops. The smartly designed split-plan home offers a spacious master bedroom suite on one side and 3 guest bedrooms and guest bath on the other. This house shows like a new home and offers 6-inch baseboards, new flooring, new light fixtures, new ceiling fans, a decorative fireplace and the redesigned entertainment center. In addition, the garage has been repainted and the floor re-epoxied. Fully fenced backyard. Lanai spans 28 by 6 feet with matching new paver patio out back. Centrally located to I-75.